Today, I'll show you how to color code in Microsoft Planner. First, open Microsoft Planner in your browser, or open your Planner board from Microsoft Teams. Sign in with the Microsoft account connected to your work or school organization. Now choose the plan where you want to organize your tasks with colors. In Microsoft Planner, color coding is usually done with labels. Labels are small colored tags that you can add to tasks. They help you quickly see task types, priorities, departments, or project stages. To start, click on any task card in your plan. The Task Details window will open. On the right side of the task, or near the top area, look for the colored label options. You should see several colored squares or label fields. Click one of the labels to add it to the task. For example, you can use red for urgent tasks, yellow for tasks in progress, green for completed review, blue for design work, purple for meetings, and orange for client-related tasks. To rename a label, click the label name or the pencil/edit option next to it. Type the meaning you want for that color. For example, you can name one label Urgent, another label Design, another label Waiting, and another label Finance. Once you rename a label, the same label name will be available across the plan. Now close the Task Details window. You should see the colored label appear on the task card. Repeat the same steps for other tasks in your plan. Open a task, choose the correct label, and close the task. You can also add more than one label to a task if needed. For example, a task can be both urgent and client work. After adding labels, you can use them to find tasks faster. Look for the filter option near the top of the planner board. Click Filter, then choose the label you want to view. Planner will show only the tasks that match that label. This makes it easier to focus on one category at a time. You can also use labels together with buckets. For example, buckets can show project stages, while labels show priority or task type. So, to keep it simple, open a task, choose a colored label, rename the label if needed, apply it to other tasks, and use filters to view tasks by color. And that's how you color code in Microsoft Planner. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.